In this video, we're going to create a function which is going to return all the contacts from our database. So I'll go down here and I'll type fun get all contacts, and it's going to return a mutable list of contacts, curly braces, and here I'll type val db equals this dot get readable. Now I'll create here a list, so I'll type val contact list equals to mutable list of contact, and now I'll type the statement which is gonna get us all the contacts. So I'll type here val select all equals to select asterisk, let's put a space, from, and I'm gonna put $, contacts constants dot table name. Then I'll go down, I'll create a cursor, so I'll type val cursor equals, I'm gonna type here db dot row query, I'm gonna pass our select all and null for the second argument. Then I will type here if cursor dot moves to first, so if there is something there, I'm gonna type do while cursor moves to next, so while there is something to the next. And here I will type val contact equals to contact and I will type here contact dot id equals to cursor dot get string 0 dot to int. We have a problem here, let's change it to var. Alright, then I'm gonna type contact dot name equals to cursor dot get string 1, and you also need to change this to var. Then I'll type contact dot phone number equals cursor dot get string 2. Also need to change this to a var. And here I will type down here, I will add, so put a comment, add contact to the contact list. So I'll type here contact list dot add contact, and I will go down here and I'll type return contact list. So here we have the select from, and this is gonna return all the data from our database, and we have the cursor. We will check to see if the cursor moves to first is something, if there is data. Then we do this do while, and while there is so here while cursor that moves to next, we are saying while there is data, then move to the next and get the next data, and we're gonna put the data in our contact, and we're gonna add after that that contact in our contact list, and at the end we return the contact list. So this is what this is doing. Now let's go inside main activity, and here I will type val db equals to database handler. We need to pass the context. I'm gonna type this. Then I'll type db and I'm gonna add some contacts. Add, and here I'll type contact, and I will pass let's say the name Alex and the phone number, let's say some random number. Let's press Ctrl D. 1 2 3 4. So let's change this to John, Maria, and Anna. And let's change the number. Now I will go inside activity main.xml. I will go to code. I will delete this text view, and I will create a linear layout. I'm gonna put orientation vertical, and I will type here text view, but I will put first nested scroll view because I'm gonna display our contacts here. I'm gonna put match parent for the width and wrap content for the height. And here I will put a text view, match parent for the width, wrap content. Actually, let's put wrap content for both. So let's put here wrap content. It's gonna have an ID, text view, data. Go inside main activity. I'll type private latent var text view data of type text view, and here I will type text view data equals to find view by ID r.id dot text view data, and we have the underline. Let's go to build. Let's clean our project to get rid of the underline. Alright, now here I will type val contact list equals to db dot get all contacts, and here I will type for contact in contact list, and here I will type text view data dot append \n, and I'm gonna type name $, contact dot name. Then I will type, press enter. I will put again a \n, phone number, and put $, contact dot phone number. So this is what we're gonna append in our text view data. Now, if you run our app, but let me first wipe the data to not get into problems. So now if you run our app, alright, so we have our app open and everything works fine. As you can see, we have our data display here, but it's very small. So let's change the text view size. So text view size to 20 sp, and let's change gravity to center horizontal. Let's run our app again. Alright, so now we have all of our data and everything works fine, because we have name, phone number, John, and we have Anna, Alex, John, Anna, and we have it 2 times because I put their text data pen, so it's appended the previous text. But that can be changed by not putting append and put it simply here text equal to. So now but let's put this in the middle. So let's delete this parenthesis. I don't know. So let's layout gravity center. Let's run our app again. I don't remember which one was layout gravity. I always forgot this, or simply gravity to put our text in the middle. So we have now only have Anna phone number 422. So now we have another problem. So let's reverse this code. Let's create here a variable called var data equals to and let's take this. So let's copy this, let's delete this, let's type here data equals to, and here we're gonna put contact dot phone number, and we have an underline. Right, so and at the end here outside the loop I'm going to type text view data dot text equals data. So now if you run this, we also get only Anna and the number, and we get only that because here we need to put plus equals. So plus equals. So let's run this again. Click on terminate. So now we have our data, all of our data. Now let's go inside activity main.xml and let's delete this nested scroll view, because as you can see this is scrollable, but I think this is because of this we can't center our data, but it's okay like this. I mean, it's looking fine. And let's put gravity center. So let's run this again. And we have more data than the data that we added, because when our as you can see now was centered, because when this on create is called, it's gonna add those contacts again and then again and again. So this is why we get here multiple times. But anyway, the point is that our app works fine and we have our data and everything works fine. So I'm gonna go inside activity.xml. I'm gonna delete this. Let's press Ctrl Z to put back the nested scroll view to make it scrollable. And I'm gonna end this video here and see you in the next video.